Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of high-end home decor design ideas using only wild timber and natural tree branches for sustainable, profitable crafting. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Building profitable home decor using only wild timber and natural tree branches begins with a deep respect for nature and an entrepreneurial mindset that sees opportunity where others see decay. Fallen logs, storm-broken limbs, and naturally shed branches scattered across forest floors hold immense creative and financial potential when approached with vision and discipline. Rather than relying on commercially milled lumber, we step into wooded areas with intention, harvesting only raw, fallen timber that has completed its natural life cycle. This practice of sustainable foraging ensures that living trees remain untouched while valuable material is rescued from slow decomposition. By doing so, we dramatically reduce material costs, creating a foundation for a business model built on minimal overhead and maximum artistry. The forest becomes both supplier and silent collaborator, offering shapes, textures, and patterns that no factory could ever replicate. Once gathered, the transformation begins with careful preparation. Wild timber must be cleaned, dried, and stabilized to ensure durability without erasing its character. Instead of aggressively planing away irregularities, we preserve live edges, allowing the natural contours of the tree to define the silhouette of each piece. These organic lines become the signature of high-end mirrors and textured wall art, communicating authenticity in a world saturated with uniformity. Spalting patterns, those intricate dark veins formed through natural fungal processes, are treated not as flaws, but as artistic treasures. When sealed properly and reinforced structurally, spalted wood reveals stunning marble designs that resemble abstract paintings created by nature itself. Customers drawn to premium decor are captivated by these organic details because they understand that no two pieces will ever be identical. Crafting high-end organic mirrors from wild timber requires thoughtful balance between refinement and rawness. The mirror glass is cut to complement the natural curves of the wood, sometimes following irregular outlines that make the piece feel sculptural rather than conventional. Mounting systems are integrated discreetly to maintain the illusion that the mirror emerged organically from the slab. Finishes are carefully selected, often natural oils or low-sheen protective coatings, to enhance grain depth without creating artificial gloss. The result is a harmonious contrast, polished reflective glass framed by rugged bark or flowing live edges. This interplay bridges wilderness and luxury, proving that unrefined nature can command premium market value when paired with intentional craftsmanship. Textured wall art crafted from natural branches expands this concept further. Branches of varying thickness are arranged in layered compositions, sometimes radiating outward like sunbursts, other times intersecting in abstract geometric patterns. The bark may be preserved for tactile richness, while certain surfaces are lightly sanded to reveal smooth grain beneath. Depth is achieved through careful spacing and mounting techniques, creating shadows that shift throughout the day as light changes. These installations transform blank walls into organic statements that feel both contemporary and timeless. In modern interiors dominated by minimalism, concrete, and glass, such natural elements introduce warmth and grounding presence, making spaces feel balanced and alive. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. The profitability of this approach lies in the alignment between sustainability and exclusivity. Because raw material is sourced through responsible foraging, expenses are limited primarily to transportation, tools, finishes, and mirror glass. Labor becomes the primary investment, encompassing harvesting, preparation, drying, shaping, assembly, and finishing. However, this labor directly translates into value, as customers purchasing high-end decor appreciate the time and skill embedded in each creation. By clearly communicating the sustainable origins and handcrafted process behind every mirror and wall piece, we elevate perceived worth. Buyers are not simply acquiring decor, they are investing in a narrative of renewal and environmental stewardship. Marketing these creations effectively means highlighting the journey from forest floor to refined interior. Photography that captures the texture of bark, the complexity of spalting, and the interplay between reflective surfaces and organic forms enhances appeal in digital marketplaces. Sharing glimpses of the harvesting process reinforces authenticity and builds trust. Modern consumers increasingly seek transparency and ethical sourcing, and when they understand that each piece originates from fallen timber rather than cut trees, their emotional connection strengthens. This connection supports premium pricing, as customers feel aligned with the values embodied in the product. Bridging wilderness and luxury also requires attention to durability and safety. Wild timber must be thoroughly dried to prevent warping or cracking once indoors. Structural reinforcements are added subtly to ensure mirrors remain secure and wall art installations stable. Protective finishes guard against moisture and pests without masking natural beauty. By combining raw aesthetics with professional-grade construction, we demonstrate that sustainable decor can meet the highest standards of quality. This reliability builds reputation and encourages repeat purchases from homeowners, interior designers, and boutique retailers. As demand grows, efficiency evolves without compromising artistry. Establishing designated drying areas or simple solar kilns accelerates preparation while maintaining eco-conscious principles. Developing standardized mounting systems streamlines assembly yet allows each frame or wall piece to retain its unique organic form. Collaborations with local interior stylists or participation in artisan markets expand visibility and create consistent sales channels. Limited collections featuring particularly dramatic spalted slabs or rare branch formations cultivate exclusivity and anticipation. Beyond financial returns, this model nurtures a deeper relationship with nature and craft. Working with wild timber demands patience and adaptability, as each piece presents unique challenges. Cracks may need stabilization, irregular edges require creative framing solutions, and natural curves dictate composition. This collaborative dialogue between maker and material fosters growth in skill and artistic sensitivity. Over time, a recognizable aesthetic emerges, characterized by bold live edges, intricate spalting, and balanced compositions that celebrate natural asymmetry. Customers begin to associate this style with authenticity and refined rustic elegance. In contemporary home decor, where sustainability increasingly influences purchasing decisions, wild timber creations occupy a compelling niche. Organic mirrors framed in preserved bark become focal points in entryways and bedrooms, reflecting light while anchoring rooms with earthy texture. Branch-based wall art installations transform minimalist spaces into tactile environments rich with depth. These pieces resonate because they embody contrast, untamed shapes refined through careful craftsmanship. The juxtaposition of wilderness and luxury captures attention and sparks conversation, reinforcing their premium status. Ultimately, building profitable home decor using only wild timber and natural tree branches proves that artistry thrives when guided by respect for natural cycles and disciplined design. By preserving live edges and spalting patterns, we allow the forest's own creativity to shine, enhancing rather than overpowering it. Sustainable foraging reduces overhead while strengthening brand narrative, and meticulous craftsmanship ensures each piece meets high-end expectations. In bridging the gap between raw nature and refined interiors, we demonstrate that unrefined timber, when handled with intention, commands not only admiration but meaningful market value. Through minimal material expense and maximum creative expression, this approach transforms fallen wood into enduring symbols of luxury, sustainability, and profitable design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked high-end home decor design ideas using only wild timber and natural tree branches for sustainable, profitable crafting. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.